This is the story of the Quadrant, who fought against the most feared secret society in the history of mankind, the Illuminati. About 20 years ago, the Quadrant was almost wiped off the face of the earth by the Illuminati. Anyone who stood against them was silenced. With no one left to challenge them, उन्होंने एक ऐसे प्रयोग की शुरुआत की जिससे उन्हें दुनिया को बर्बाद करने की शक्ति मिलती, द LHC और द लार्ज हेड्रन कोलाइडर एक्सपेरिमेंट, जिससे ब्लैक होल्स और स्ट्रेंज मैटर्स की रचना होती। पर डॉक्टर B.K. घोष, जो कि LHC का ही एक हिस्सा थे, उन्हें इन एक्सपेरिमेंट्स के नतीजों पर शक था। उन्होंने आवाज़ उठाया, पर उन्हें यह बोलकर LHC से निकाल दिया गया कि उनके पास कोई सबूत नहीं है अपनी थ्योरीज प्रूव करने के लिए। बाय द ईयर 2011, the LHC experiment led to the creation of black holes and massive strange matters that started a chain of devastating events like earthquakes and tsunami. And on 21st May 2017, Delhi fell down, making Mumbai the capital of India. मैं और मेरा पार्टनर क्वाड्रेंट की बची आखिरी दो कड़ी थे। इल्यूमिनाटी और दुनिया के बीच में अब बस हमारे स्पेशल पावर्स थे। हमने डॉक्टर घोष को दिल्ली अर्थक्वेक से पहले मुंबई शिफ्ट करके एक अनडिस्क्लोज लोकेशन पर रखा, ताकि वो अपने एक्सपेरिमेंट्स पूरा करके दुनिया के सामने साबित कर सके कि LHC दुनिया पर एक जानलेवा हमला है। Our mission was to travel back in time from 2017 and hand over the completed document back to Dr. Ghosh in the year 2007 so that he could prove the consequences of the LHC and stop the experiments before it began, and hence save our capital, New Delhi.
वेकअप करते, बहुत लेट हो रहा है। कुछ खाया नहीं तुमने? What's wrong?
Nothing.
दिन भर परेशान रहते हो, रात को नींद नहीं आती। You don't even eat properly. Are you fine?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Look, it's okay if you don't want to share. वैसे भी आजकल सब लोग परेशान हैं। पता है, एक पागल साइंटिस्ट है, पास ही में रहता है। He was saying that the world is about to end.
यार लोग तो कुछ भी बोलते हैं, और अभी तुमने ही तो बोला था कि वो पागल है।
He was saying that he was a part of some large hadron collider experiment or something, and it's all related.
अरे you don't believe in such nonsense. The brightest scientists are working to figure it out. And जितना भी earthquakes है, I'm sure it is all a natural disaster, and it has nothing to do with the experiment. You don't need to worry about all these things.
I'm not worried about the world. I'm worried about you, us. पता नहीं तुम्हें क्या हो गया है आजकल. You don't even talk to me anymore. कभी-कभी लगता है, do you even love me anymore?
Of course I love you. And तू ज़्यादा मत सोच, मैं ठीक हूँ. अच्छा अभी थोड़ा लेट हो रहा है, मैं चलता हूँ.
Yeah, there has been a security breach.
It's not possible. Are you sure?
Affirmative.
Go on.
आज सुबह मेरी वाइफ ने मुझे एक साइंटिस्ट के बारे में बताया था. I think it's Dr. Ghosh. He's out in the open.
Impossible. No one is supposed to know about Dr. Ghosh or his experiments. Our job was to ensure that. But अगर तुम्हारी वाइफ को पता चल गया है, then the Illuminati surely knows about it. I hope you are wrong.
I'm damn sure they know.
How? Hello? Hello? Karthik? What's happening? You there?
I think I'm being followed.
Oh shit. That was easy.
Yeah.
It's not over. They'll come back for us. We need to talk. They'll keep on following us. We need to act now.
I know.
हमारे पास ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं है. तुम्हें हमारा मिशन तो याद है ना?
हम डॉक्टर घोष को 10 साल से प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं. ऑफ कोर्स मुझे हमारा मिशन याद है.
अब सब खत्म करने का समय आ गया है. डॉक्टर घोष का रिसर्च अब ओवर हो चुका है. दिस इज द मोमेंट वी आर वेटिंग फॉर. यू नीड टू ट्रैवल बैक इन टाइम. 2007 में जाओ और डॉक्यूमेंट्स डॉक्टर घोष को जाके दो ताकि वो एक्सपेरिमेंट्स रोक सके. अगर LHC बंद हो गया दुनिया बच जाएगा. दिस इज अ चांस टू सेव द वर्ल्ड.
You know I can't.
व्हाई?
You know why? I have a wife. मैं उसको छोड़ नहीं सकता. एक बार मैं वापस गया I won't be able to come back. And I promised her मैं कभी नहीं छोड़ूंगा उसको.
I know buddy. I wish there was some other way. But ये पावर बस तेरे पास है. I can't travel back in time. Only you can.
It's not fair.
I know it's not fair. But we are a part of the greatest legacy on earth. We are a part of the quadrant. We either live defending our nation, a world from the Illuminati, or we die trying. अगर अभी हम रुक गए तो all the sacrifices of our brothers will be for nothing. We don't have a choice. We never had a choice. This is our destiny.
Yeah, I understand. I should go see my wife now. Perhaps this is the last time I'll be ever seeing her again.
मैं भी डॉक्टर घोष से डॉक्यूमेंट्स लेके आता हूँ.
अच्छा एक बात पूछूं?
पूछो.
Do you really believe in what he said today morning, that the world is about to end?
I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. But as long as we are together, I don't care.
Do you remember the first time we met? You said you were happy alone, that you didn't need a man to be happy with.
Yeah, but that was a long time ago. Right now, I cannot imagine my life without you.
Listen, that's the kind of girl that I want you to be now. I want you to be happy, even if I'm not there with you.
ऐसी बातें क्यों कर रहे हो? Nothing is going to happen.
Look, the world is changing. Cities are falling down. What if I don't come back?
ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हो कार्तिक? I know you'll never leave me.
I love you.
I love you too.
It's already late. Go save the world. Oh fuck. They are here. I'll take care of it. He's gone for the time being. You should get out of here. Oh, not again.
Go! Go! I can't leave you like this.
The future of this world is more important than me. Just go.
So I guess this is it then.
This is it. so we fought and saved our capital, New Delhi. It was important that we stood up and fought, even if we're fighting a losing battle. It was important that they knew that even if we fall down, we will rise again to claim what is ours, that the quadrant will always return.